Okay, I actually found it. I was in the midst of giving up, and I picked this up and it fell out. So I don't know where it was in there, and I also don't know what spring I just lost. Okay, so if I remember correctly, this was the back. So I just lost spring one. And I'll say this too, I was going to come back down on my own. And I was going to reassemble it without recording, and then make sure the key still worked. But since I found it right while I was leaving, I decided to, I don't know, pick right back up where I left off. I don't know how it was hiding it from me inside of this thing, but it was. Maybe I'll get lucky and lose it again. As long as I get the bottom like touching the hole it goes in, I'll be good. It's almost easier with this dang pick, isn't it? Fudge. Easy peasy. Alright. Pen 5. Or spool 5. Whatever it's called. Ah, dude, I did it again. And I lost a spring from 5. I almost put them back together with that. Ah, man, I see I had this once already too. I had this put together, but I forgot the back hole took nothing. Fucking garbage, dude. Boom. Okay, let me get that. Okay, got that one. Oh man, if I say this, if anybody's watched this from the start to now, then what are you doing with your life? Put a comment. Like, I know that everybody on YouTube always says that, and I always find it so, like, I'll never say it other than right now, because like, if you are watching, what are you doing? What are you thinking? You know what I'm saying? Alright, let me get that lined up with my hand. This is terrible, dude. This is honestly like... Granted, I think I need a better set of tweezers, but it's still difficult to get that in there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this guy goes in. Let's go with our same default way we were before, which is that way. Which we don't know if it's right or wrong. Somebody does. That maybe it's those spools, dude. I think the spools are just hard. Because that one went right in, and that should have theoretically been the hardest, because that was the middle one. I'm going to get this thing. If I don't lose a piece, like I said, I'm going to get this thing together. And the key's going to turn. Or my name ain't Diesel Locks. My name ain't Diesel Locks, so. I do go by Diesel, though. It's a pretty old nickname, actually. Okay, that part is good. Oh, okay, let me think. Okay, now I mean, yeah, I'd say the easy part, but this is where I kind of went wrong before. Boop. Beep. Precision of a frickin' surgeon here, bro. Where'd I grab that from? 5? Memory of a something. Alright, we're gonna do this one first because I remember last time we had a hard time getting the other one out. I think he went there. But let's look at the key. Yes. If I mess this up again, I'll probably stop recording. Yeah. I mean, that lines up. That's perfect. Okay. So then this should go like this and slide right in. Okay. Just remember not to turn it too far. Okay, actually, maybe if we lock it, yeah, it can't go anywhere anyway. So why not just lock it once you're at this point? Okay, now I gotta get the C-clip on there. And that's the... Dude, I had this thing together, man. And I started doubting myself. Watch me have the whole thing backwards anyway, and it won't go together or something stupid. I don't care. I'm gonna get it on there, then twist it. Maybe this tool can twist it. Yeah, look at that. Twist it perfectly. I don't know if there's an orientation to this thing or not. But I think that's good. This is where I messed up before. Okay, it turns. Why doesn't it come out? I don't know. Should it come out? It does come out. Okay. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's see if it goes back together. Okay, there's a little thing in there, and this thing obviously has to be oriented to not hit that, but to ride next to it. Jeez, that feels... Why does that feel so hard to get in there? I don't know. something could be wrong. Something's not right. Something's really tight. Could it be that C-clip? Give me something to push. Yeah, this should fall out, right? Obviously pushing would be the better idea. Need something very, very skinny and long. No comments. Oh yeah, that's so tight, dude. Why is that so tight? Is the C-clip? I think it is. Let me clean this off. I got goop on me again. Something's not right with my C-clip. It's kind of over the edge. Let me take that off and examine it. Maybe there's a spot that doesn't have. Last thing I want to do is friggin' turn this thing again, though, I can tell you that. No, it's an equal, like, machining all the way around. Right? Oh, when I first took this apart, I feel like I did it like this or something. So maybe that goes over there. Maybe it doesn't matter. Maybe it just needs to get in there. Oh, that bottom thing aligns with that? No way. It does. How do you not see that then when you put your key in? Yeah, it doesn't. Oh, because the key. Okay. Yeah, I'm stupid. Don't mind me. Ah. There we go. And is it in there good? I feel like it is. Let's see if this fits. Ah. Okay. Oh my goodness, dude. Oh, there's a pin on there too. Goes right there. Holy smokes. If his lock works, dude. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wait. The wrong key. The hell did I do? What the F? Okay, it's not that one. It's not that one. not that one. So it's this one. Why would I not go back in there? All the pins go all the way up. Okay, and if I can't get it back open, I can't take it back apart, can I? Dude, there's not the littlest bit of movement. Even if you put the wrong key in the wrong lock, you still get a little bit of movement, right? Yeah. Okay, well. Rip. Okay. Rip.